Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we take a closer look at the products that really matter. Today, we're exploring the Sanitaire Tracer cordless vacuum SC7100A, a vacuum that promises high-performance cleaning across multiple surfaces, including both hard floors and carpets. What sets this vacuum apart from the competition? Let's find out as we break down its features, performance, and real-world usability. The Sanitaire Tracer SC7100A is designed to offer a streamlined, hassle-free cleaning experience with some noteworthy features aimed at busy households and commercial spaces. It's cordless, providing the freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet, making it ideal for quick pickups and easier movement around large rooms or areas with lots of furniture. The vacuum is equipped with a 40-minute runtime, which is plenty of time for most jobs around the home or office. But it's worth noting that this runtime is at the vacuum's standard power level, and you may experience a drop in suction if you engage higher settings for tougher tasks. When it comes to suction, the Tracer does a solid job on a range of surfaces, from hard floors to carpets, delivering consistent performance whether you're dealing with fine dust, crumbs, or deeper dirt. In terms of filtration, the Tracer is equipped to handle typical residential or light commercial needs, but it doesn't have the same level of advanced filtration that some high-end models offer for allergy sufferers. So, while it's effective for general cleaning, those with severe allergies or asthma might want to consider a vacuum with a HEPA filter for more comprehensive air filtration. The vacuum's dustbin is easy to empty, but it's on the smaller side, so you might find yourself needing to empty it more frequently, especially during larger cleaning sessions. A standout feature of the Tracer SC7100A is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 8 pounds, it's easy to handle and move around the house, even when you need to get under furniture or clean those tricky spots around edges. The vacuum's maneuverability is enhanced by its swivel head, which allows it to glide smoothly over floors and into tight corners. The wide-range LED lights are another thoughtful touch, making it easier to spot dirt or debris in low-light areas, something many vacuums don't offer. And when you're done, the collapsible handle makes it simple to store without taking up much space. When testing the Sanitaire Tracer SC7100A in real-world conditions, I found that it excelled on hard floors, picking up fine dust and larger debris with ease. On carpet, it performed decently well, but it struggled slightly with embedded pet hair, especially on thicker rugs. The lack of a dedicated pet hair attachment is noticeable if you have furry friends at home. Cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors was made easier by the included attachments, though some users may miss having a dedicated crevice tool for those ultra-tight spots. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, this vacuum's cordless design makes it a joy to use in spaces where a cord might get in the way. Its 40-minute runtime, while not the longest in the industry, is sufficient for most cleaning tasks. The lightweight build makes it a breeze to carry around, and the LED lights are a nice addition for those hard-to-see spots. However, the vacuum isn't perfect. It does lack some of the advanced features of higher-end models, particularly when it comes to pet hair removal and deep carpet cleaning. The bin capacity is also somewhat small, requiring frequent emptying, which could be an inconvenience for larger homes or spaces. Additionally, the suction power, while good for everyday cleaning, may fall short if you need more intense, deep cleaning. When it comes to value for money, the Tracer SC7100A sits in a mid-range price point, offering solid performance without the steep price tag of premium models. It's a good option if you're looking for a lightweight, cordless vacuum that can handle both hard floors and light carpet cleaning. However, if you're in the market for something more specialized, say a model with advanced pet hair removal or superior deep cleaning capabilities, you might want to look at alternatives that offer more power and specialized tools. In terms of direct comparisons, the Tracer SC7100A faces competition from similar cordless models, such as the Dyson V8 or the Shark IonFlex 2X. Both of these alternatives offer better suction power on carpets and more specialized features like pet hair attachments, but they come at a higher price point. If you don't need a vacuum that's designed to handle deep carpet cleaning on a daily basis, or have heavy pet hair issues, the Tracer provides a solid, more affordable choice. The build quality of the Sanitaire Tracer is solid for its price. The plastics feel sturdy, though not as premium as what you'd get with a higher-end model. The joints, brush rolls, and dustbin are well constructed, and cleaning the brush roll after long hair is fairly straightforward. Maintaining the vacuum is easy enough, but as with most vacuums, keeping the filters clean and checking for blockages will ensure consistent performance. Over time, the battery may degrade, but this is something common to most cordless vacuums, and with proper care, you can expect it to last for a decent amount of time. Customer support for the Tracer SC7100A generally falls in line with Sanitaire's reputation: helpful and responsive when issues arise, though as of now, I haven't had any direct interactions that required their assistance. For the most part, the vacuum should provide a reliable cleaning experience without many service needs, but it's always good to keep in mind any brand's warranty and after-sales support. The Sanitaire Tracer SC7100A is an excellent option for those who need a versatile, lightweight, and cordless vacuum for everyday cleaning. It's particularly well suited for smaller homes, apartments, or areas that need frequent touch-ups. While it doesn't offer the deep cleaning power of some premium models, it strikes a solid balance between performance, portability, and affordability. If you don't need specialized tools for pet hair or the strongest suction available, the Tracer could be just what you're looking for. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future reviews. Have you used the Sanitaire Tracer SC7100A? Or maybe you've got another favorite vacuum you swear by? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another product review. Stay clean and happy.